So we're on to the section with keys and scales. This is question 3.1. This is to tick one box to show the correctly written key signature of G flat major. So obviously when you see a flat, we're dealing with flats in the key signatures and not sharps. So I just want to go over the sentence. Father Charles goes down and ends battle, as this is a really helpful sentence for working out not just the order of the sharps and the flats, but also what flats or sharps are in a certain key. So first let's do the sharps, okay? So the sharps work slightly differently. So from left to right we read the sentence. The first letter of every word reveals a sharp. When you go to that sharp and you go up one semitone, that is the name of the key that has that sharp. So F sharp is in the key of G major. When you go to the last sharp, so F sharp and C sharp, you go up one semitone from C sharp, you get D major. So D major has F sharp and C sharp. If you're working out what the key signature of A major is, you go through the sentence, F up to G, C up to D, G up to A. So we found it. So A major now has F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. E major will have F, C, G and D. You go one semitone up from D sharp, you land on E, and so on through the sentence, okay? For the flats, it works differently. You're reading the sentence from right to left, battle ends and down goes Charles' father. So B here, when it's just, and it works slightly differently, but when it's B flat by itself, we just need to know that that is F major, okay? So if you have B flat, E flat and A flat is the last flat, you go to the second to last, which is E flat, and E flat major has B flat, E flat and A flat. If you have B flat, E flat, A flat and D flat, A flat is your second to last flat, so A flat major has these four flats. And of course they have to be in the right order and they have to be in the right place. So we know we're dealing with flats with the G flat major, so let's look through our options here. So the first one has B flat and F, so that's obviously wrong because it's battle ends, it should be an E. Then we have a C flat, it starts with battle always, it's always B first, so C flat is wrong. Then we go to the tenor clef, this is a C here, so B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat and C flat. Okay, so that one is looking good so far. I'm just going to try this last one here, we're in the alto clef. So our middle C is on the middle line now, so that's a B flat, B, C, D, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, F. So this one here is actually wrong. One then is to show and tick the correct box for the key of D sharp minor. Now to figure out what the related key is here for the major, which is F sharp major, what we do is we go to our keyboard, and I've mentioned this before, if you're not a piano player you need to be able to draw one of these out so you can use it for many different things. One of them is to figure out what the related major and minor keys are. So we're given a minor key of D sharp. For this one we go up 3 semitones and 2 letter names to find out the key. So up 2 letter names from D is F, so it's F something. So if we start here we go 1 semitone, 2 and 3, so it's F sharp major, and F sharp major has 6 sharps. Okay, let's run through our sharps that we have over here. So we have F sharp, C sharp, though this one here is incorrect because we have an A sharp and it's Father Charles goes, it should be a G. Here we have Fa in the treble clef, Father Charles goes down and ends. It is an E sharp, but it's in the wrong position. So it should be here in the top space. The third option then is in our tenor clef. So we have, remember that there's a change of position for the F sharp in the tenor clef. So F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp and E sharp. So okay, that's looking good. I'm just going to flick to the last one very quickly in the bass clef. So this is a C sharp is starting here. So remember our order for the sharps, Father Charles, it should be an F first. So that's wrong as well for that reason. Okay, so this is our correct answer.